How's it going, everyone? Ace Armory here. Today we have this Mossberg Maverick 88 security. We're going to be doing a quick disassembly and a quick reassembly. Let's get started. First thing we want to do is we want to remove the barrel. In order to do so, we have to undo the takedown screw. This screw does not come off. It just loosens up the barrel for you to be able to remove it. Once that's out, you can put that to the side. I'm going to be moving to the internals of the firearm. Now, for starters, we have to remove the trigger housing pin. It's just a matter of poking it out. It'll slide right out. We can put that to the side. Once you remove the trigger housing pin, it'll give you access to the trigger housing assembly. It's just a matter of pulling it out. It'll slide right out. Next up, we're getting into the internals. Once you've removed the trigger housing assembly, it'll give you access to the cartridge stop and the cartridge interrupter. On the right side, we have the cartridge stop as a squared off end. On the left side, we have the cartridge interrupter. It has a more pointier end. Once those are out, you can slide the action slide assembly out. Put that to the side. For the bolt slide, it's just a matter of lifting it straight up. It'll come right out. For the bolt assembly, it slides out from where the barrel was. Slides right out. Lastly, we have the elevator. Just squeeze and it will come right out. And that is a quick disassembly for the Mossberg Maverick 88. Now let's go ahead and put this thing back together. First thing we got to do, you'll notice that there's these holes on both sides. This is where the elevator connects to. So squeeze the elevator and insert. You'll notice where the elevator connected. Next up, we want to get the bolt assembly. Just how we took it out, we're going to go ahead and we're going to slide it back in. Easiest way to go about it is to reach in there with your finger, lift up, and it'll slide right in. Next up, we got the action slide assembly. Now you will notice that it has these teeth. Let's go ahead and slide it in. Sometimes it will get stuck. If it does get stuck, do not worry, just pull down on the right one and that'll clear it. It'll let you slide it right in. Now you will notice that there's this cutout here. The teeth, you just want to line them up right here. Now you're going to get your bolt slide. You're going to drop it right in there. You see that there's this cutout. That's where the teeth we spoke of earlier are going to go. So, drop in the bolt slide. Match it with the teeth on the action slide assembly. From here, the easiest way to go about it is with your finger, you're going to push the bolt assembly either forward or back. In this case, it seems like it's going to be forward and then back a little. Just got to line them up. soon as everything lines up, it'll fall right into place. Once again, we're going to drop the bolt slide in, line it up with the teeth on the action slide assembly. And now we're going to push the bolt assembly either forward or backwards. And everything should fall right into place. All right, next up, we're going to grab our cartridge interrupter. And it'll slide right on the side of the frame. Grab our cartridge stop, the squared off one. It'll be on the right side. Slide it right in there. Now you might have to hold these with your fingers because they can be a little tricky. You will notice that you have to hold it with your finger. Then you can grab your trigger housing assembly. Just slide it right in here. You have to go under the frame. You get it in there. Once it's in, just drop it in. Then you grab your trigger housing pin, drop it in the hole, and you either just mess around with it up or down, just so the holes line up, and it should go right in. After that, I'm going to put the barrel back on. Slide it right in, screw it back on, and that is how you reassemble the Mossberg Maverick 88 Security. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, if this helped, like and subscribe. I'm going to be putting out some more content like this. I'm also going to make another video where we tear this firearm apart and we give it a nice cleaning. Thank you for watching.